Hello, Namaste student. I am Monica, subject math. This video is for grade 4. Today let's start chapter number 1, large numbers. A number system is a way to represent numbers. As we all know that the numbers are used for expressing certain parameters or entities or money in quantities. Numbers give a quantifiable representation which can be used for a simple arithmetical calculations or for a higher mathematical operations as well as simple estimate of the quantity. Real world example of uses of the number system that are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, fraction, etc. The most commonly used system of numerals is the Hindu-Arabic numeral system. In another words, we can say Indian number system, which was invented by Indian mathematicians. The international number system is another method of representing numbers. Topic: Indian system of numeration. Now question arises: how to read and write numbers according to this system? For that, let's understand place value chart. According to Indian system of numeration, place value tells us the value of each digit in a numeral based on its position. The place value of digits, that is right to left, go in the sequence of ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and so on. In this system, we start grouping the number from a right in the group of a 3 and further in group of 2. The place value chart have been separated into groups called periods, that is ones, thousands, lakh, and crore. Let's see how to read any number according to Indian system of numeration. See example. Number is 11540845 but I cannot read this way. Then what to do, ma'am? First put the number in their respective places. Now we all know places always decide from right hand side. 3 at the place of a ones, 5 at the place of a tens, 4 at the place of 100. Now, can you tell me? Ones, tens and 100 create which period? Correct. It's a ones period. Now see the second period. 8 at the place of 1,000, 0 at the place of 10,000, 1,000 and 10,000 create which period? 1,000 period. Now see third period. 4 at the place of a lakh and 5 at the place of a 10 lakh. Lakh and 10 lakh create lakh period. Now see fourth period. 1 at the place of a crore. Another one is at the place of a 10 crore. This table is for explanation. I can understand each and every time it is not possible to draw a table. Then what to do, ma'am? Put commas to separate the period. Count with me from right hand side. Ones, tens, 100, put comma, 1,000, 10,000, put comma, lakh, 10 lakh, put comma, crore, 10 crore, a head number not written. So I will not put comma. Okay. Now read this number. Before comma, what number written? It is 11. In which period? Crore period. So it is 11 crore. Now number written 54. In which period? Lakh period. So it is 54 lakh. Number is 08. Means 8 only. In which period? 1,000 period. So it is 8,000. Last one, you all are knowing. Correct. 453. So this number is read as 11 crore 54 lakh 8,453. Now let's see another example. Read this number. For that, first step, differentiate periods by placing commas in between. Now count with me from right hand side. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore. So, this number is read as 45 crore 78 lakh 33,228. Now solve this exercise. You can see in this slide, in the first part, periods are already separated. While in the second part, separate the period and then write the name of the number. The place value chart that is used in many countries of the world is called International Place Value Chart. To understand the place value of each digit, we put the number in place value chart so that we can identify each digit. As per the International Numeration System, the first comma is placed after the 100 place. Commas are then placed after every 3 digits. The values of the places in the International System of Numeration are ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and so on. Let's see example. Read this number according to International Place Value Chart. First step, differentiate periods by placing commas in between. But here you have to remember, commas are placed after every 3 digits. Now count with me from right hand side. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million. Now see this example. Before comma, number is 37. In which period? Million period. So it is 37 million. After that, number is 987. In which period? 1000 period. So it is 987,000. Ones period you all are knowing. Yes, it is 450. So this number is read as 37,987,450. Now solve example number 2. First step, correct. Differentiate periods by placing commas. This number is read as 100,150,000. Now solve this exercise. You can see in this slide, in the first part, periods are already separated. While in the second part, separate the period and then write the name of the number. The main difference between the Indian number system and international number system is the placement of the separators or commas. In international numbering system, millions are written after thousands, while in Indian system, lakhs are written after thousands. Indian system is followed in India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. It is still called as Indian number system owing to its union during the British rule. Million and billion are international units of number system. It has a 3-digit split in the numbers. This system is commonly used in Western countries, whereas lakh and crores are Indian units of number system. This system is followed by 2-digit split after the 100 place. Now, let's look at the new topic of this chapter, place value and face value. The place value of a digit depends upon the place occupied by it in the number. The face value of a digit in any number is the digit itself. In this example, you can see that the same number is written in the face value. That is, 5's face value is 5, 3's face value is 3, 0's face value is 0, 4's face value is 4, and 6's face value is 6. Let us now see how to find the place value. If I want number 6 place value, then 6 is at the place of ones. So, 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. 4 is at the place of tens. So, 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40. 0 is at the place of 100. So, 0 multiplied by 100 is equal to 0. Here you have to remember, any number multiplied with 0, answer is 0. 3 is at the place of 1000. So, 3 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 3000. 5 is at the place of 10,000. So, 5 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 50,000. Do you want shortcut for this method? Yes, ma'am. We love shortcut. If I want 6 place value, then 6 after how many digits written? Nothing. Then just write 6. To find 4's place value, 4 after how many digits written? 1 digit. Then first write 4, after that put 1 0, means 40. Wherever 0 is, its place value remains 0. To find 3's place value, 3 after how many digits written? 3 digits. Then first write 3, after that put 30, means 3000. To find 5's place value, 5 after how many digits written? 4 digits. Then first write 5, after that put 40, means 50,000. Now solve this exercise. Write the place value and face value of underlined digits. Third topic of this chapter, standard form and expanded form. In the expanded form, we break up a number according to their place value and expand it to show the value of each digit. Each number has a place value. It determines the value of that digit according to its position in the number. The value of a digit in a number increases as we move from a right hand side to left hand side. The digits on the right hand side have a lower value than the digits on the left hand side. Expanded form is a way to write number by adding the value of its digits. We can use a place value chart to think of the value of a number's digits. In short, first write place value, after that between that put plus sign. Let's see example. In 2385, the place values of the digits are given below. 2 at the place of 1000, so 2000. 3 at the place of 100, so 300. 8 at the place of tens, so 80. 5 at the place of 1, so 5 only. Hence, 2385 is equal to 2000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 5. Thus, 2000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 5 is the expanded form of 2385. Here we will learn how to write the numeral in standard form. See this example. Here expanded form of number given 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 2. 20,000 means 2 at the place of 10,000. 7,000 means 7 at the place of 1,000. 400 means 4 at the place of 100. 20 means 2 at the place of tens. And only 2 means 2 at the place of ones. So, number is 27,422. Let's see another example. 7 lakh plus 60,000 plus 20 plus 9. 7 lakh means 7 at the place of lakh. 60,000 means 6 at the place of 10,000. 20 means 2 at the place of tens and 9 at the place of ones. No value is given for 1000 and 100 place, so we write zeros in these two places. So number is 7,60,029. Now solve this exercise.